Last Tuesday, I spent 3 grueling hours manually copying data from emails into a spreadsheet, row by row, email by email. Then I discovered that AI could do that exact same task in just 3 seconds. Most people haven't figured this out because they don't see the bridge between AI and their daily work. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build that bridge. We are all paying what I call the invisible time tax. The average knowledge worker wastes about 4.5 hours every week on repetitive tasks that a computer could do perfectly. That adds up to over 200 hours a year gone without you even noticing. It's not because you're slow, it's because no one has shown you the bridge to automation yet. Forget about robots or complex code. Automation is simply a set of instructions you write once for a computer to follow forever. Think of it like a recipe. You write the steps once, and every time someone wants that dish, they follow the same order. Your automation works the same way, but unlike a human, the computer never gets tired, never forgets a step, and is happy to run at 3 a.m. without complaining. To make automation work, different apps need to talk to each other. They do this through an API, which you can think of as a door that an app like Gmail, Slack, or Notion leaves open. With your permission, another software tool can walk in through that door to read an email or grab data to send it somewhere else. Almost every app you use has one of these doors, and once you realize they exist, the whole world of automation opens up. Most people never start because they think, this is for developers. That is a total myth. Modern automation tools don't use a terminal or lines of code. They look like flowcharts. You simply drag a box, connect it to another box, and press play. No computer science degree is required. If you can write a simple sentence, you can automate. Every automation you will ever build starts with one sentence. When this happens, then do this, and do this. For example, when a customer fills out my form, then add them to my spreadsheet and notify my team in Slack. You aren't writing code, you are writing a sentence. The automation tool is simply the machine that turns your sentence into reality. You don't need to be an expert to save time immediately. Here are 5 simple workflows. Email attachments. Automatically save them to a specific folder. Saves approximately 40 minutes per week. Form submissions. Add the data to a spreadsheet and send an auto reply. Saves approximately 3 hours per week. Weekly reports. Have the computer pull numbers and format the email for you. Saves approximately 2 hours per week. Calendar sync. Automatically create a task in your to-do app when an event is scheduled. Saves approximately 30 minutes per week. Social posting. Write one post and have it automatically go to 3 different platforms. Saves approximately 1 hour per week. Automation is the missing link between AI and an individual's daily work. Wasted time is not because a person is slow, but because they haven't been shown the bridge to bridge the gap between their workload and AI's capabilities. Next week, I am going to introduce you to the exact tool I use to build every single one of these automations, N8N. It is a free open source tool that runs directly in your browser, so you don't need to worry about complex installations. This is the platform that takes the when, then sentences we just practiced and turns them into actual functioning workflows without requiring any code. If you're ready to see this in action, drop the word ready in the comments to get notified the moment we go live. And for your daily dose of AI updates in plain English with zero jargon, make sure to follow the AI Stackk.